Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to share some tips with you through which you can speed up your PC or your laptop. So you just have to make some changes to the settings and you have to delete some temporary files. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification. Without wasting your time, let's get started. So first go to search box and write run or press Windows plus R and the run dialog box will be open. You have to write prefetch. Click OK. Then these some temporary files will be open. Control A, select all and then delete them all. Okay, again go to run Windows R and write temp. Click OK. Then select all these files and delete them. Continue. Now once again for the last time go to run and write percent temp percentage. Click OK and select all these files and delete all of these files. This will help you improve the performance of your computer. Okay, after these steps, search for Task Manager or press Ctrl Alt and Delete button and go to Task Manager. Then go to Startup and from here disable all those programs which you are not using whenever your computer turns on. So the programs will not load automatically whenever you turn on your computer. For example, I don't need this program whenever I turn on my computer, so disable this program by right clicking on it. And you can disable every program which you don't use whenever you turn on your computer. That will improve the performance and speed of your computer. Okay, now go to settings, go to system and go to storage. From here you have to turn this option on because this will help you in improving your computer performance by deleting the temporary files. Okay, now go back to settings and then go to privacy and turn all of these options off and then go to location, turn the location off and camera and microphone also check these settings also and then go to background apps and from here you have to turn off all the apps which you are not using so they cannot run on the background of your computer. So whenever they run on the background of your computer they will slow down the speed of your computer, so turn them off. And another step, search for game in the search box and go to game mode settings and turn off this option also if you are not using any games or not playing any games on your computer. Okay, another option which you can use to improve your computer's performance, go to personalization from settings and then go to colors and turn off this transparency effects. And I would also recommend you to turn off the auto updates of your Windows because that would help you in improving your computer performance because whenever a window updates on your background so it slows down your speed. Okay, all these steps will help you in improving your computer's performance and speed. And another step is search for defragment and optimize your drives and then analyze your C drive and then defragment your C drive after this step. Okay, I hope all these steps will help you in improving your computer's performance. If you are still facing the slow speed on your computer, then I would recommend you to, if you are using hard disk on your computer, try to change the hard disk with SSD because that will improve your performance very quickly. And if you have a low RAM, for example less than 2 GB, you should try to upgrade it, because that would help you a lot in improving your computer's performance. And all these steps will help you in improving your computer's performance. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Take care.